This is 101 with Dr. Tasie there. I'm so elated having you join us on this edition of the show. Today, we'll be looking at a topic that we captioned Start Now. Okay, so guys, Start Now is a call to action. It's a call to action to take the first step towards a goal or a dream. Procrastination and fear often hold us back from starting. Starting now can lead to momentum, progress, and success. When we return after this break, we will kickstart officially on the topic Start Now. Stick around, don't move a muscle. Welcome back, guys. If you're just joining in, this is 101 with Dr. Tasie there. Okay, we just started with the topic Start Now. Let's look at the power of starting small. Okay, so whatever you do as a people, make sure that you break down big goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Break down big goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Take one step at a time. Celebrate small wins to build motivation. Celebrate small wins to build motivation. All right. Take one step at a time. Celebrate small wins to build motivation. Right. Break down big goals into smaller, manageable tasks. It's important. Break down big goals into smaller, manageable tasks. All right. Take one step at a time and celebrate small wins. This will help you build motivation as you progress, in life journey. All right. Starting now is pretty much important for you, for me, for everyone. Right. So let's just move forward. On the show, right? There's something we really need to look into, which is overcoming fear and procrastination. One of the reasons why most of us haven't really started anything yet is because of the fear that we have inside, and of course, that this element called procrastination. Procrastination for me is just like, it's a force. It's a negative force, really. It's a negative force that can hold you down for so long. I'm going to do this today. I don't feel like doing it today. I feel somehow, let's do it tomorrow. I'll do it tomorrow. Don't worry. Tomorrow, it's going to be a great day for me doing this. And then when it comes to tomorrow, and when it gets to tomorrow, that's tomorrow, you'll give another excuse. Something, I'm not feeling too well, I'm not feeling too strong. So for you to start now, we need to look at how you can overcome fear and procrastination. This is very crucial, all right? So to be able to overcome fear and procrastination, we need to identify and challenge limiting beliefs. We need to identify and challenge limiting beliefs, all right? We need to reframe negative thoughts and focus on positive outcomes. We need to reframe negative thoughts and focus, all right, on positive outcomes. Set deadlines and hold yourself accountable. Create a space, a safe space. Create a safe space to take risks and learn from failures, all right? Create a safe space to take risk and learn from failures. It's important, all right? So if you're just joining in, this is 101 with Dr. Tasie there, and we've been talking about starting now. It's important that you sit down and ask yourself a few questions as a young person. Starting now, it's important for every human being who wants progress, who wants um, you know, progress in every works of life, right? You need to start now. It's pretty much important. Okay, so let us look at the importance of imperfection. Perfect is the enemy of dawn. DONE, perfect is the enemy of dawn. All right, embrace imperfection and iteration. Focus on progress, not perfection. Embrace imperfection, not iteration. Focus on progress, not perfection. All right, so building momentum, when you start small, there's a power behind starting small, guys. There's a power behind starting small. It helps to build momentum. Okay, so building momentum starts with a small win to build confidence. All right, so building momentum. You want to build momentum, you need to start with a small win to build confidence, right? Use the snowball effect to grow momentum. Celebrate milestones and reflect on progress, okay? So while you're starting now and exercising the power of starting small, there is need for you to create a supportive environment. Okay, there is need for you to create a supportive environment as a people. So doing so, you need to surround yourself with positive influences. You need to surround yourself with positive influences, which is very necessary as a people. Find accountability partners or mentors. Find yourself accountability partners or mentors. Eliminate distractions and create a conducive workspace. I take that again. Eliminate distractions, and create a conducive workspace. All right. So, guys, you need to embrace the journey. Starting now, if you really want to start now and make progress, then you need to embrace the journey. All right. So, you want to embrace the journey? You need to focus on the process, not just the outcome. Focus on the process, not just the outcome, right? Learn to enjoy the journey and learn from it. Learn to enjoy the journey and learn from it. Be patient and kind to yourself along the way. So after this break, it will be the concluding part of Starting Now on 101 with Dr. Tasie. Stick around, I'll be right back just after this break. Welcome back, guys. So in conclusion, starting now can lead to incredible progress and growth. Starting now can lead to incredible progress and growth. Don't let fear or perfectionism hold you back. Take the first step, no matter how small. Take the first step, no matter how small, and keep moving forward. Take the first step, no matter how small, and keep moving forward. All right. I hope this lecture helps inspire you to take action and start working towards your goals. Remember, the power is in the starting, not the perfecting. All right. So leverage on the moment. Leveraging on the moment while waiting can help boost productivity, enhance personal growth, reduce stress and anxiety, cultivate creativity and inspiration, and develop a great sense of purpose and fulfillment. Remember this, time is a precious resource. Let's make the most of it even while waiting, because there is power while waiting. Waiting is an inevitable part of life. We spend a significant amount of time waiting every day, but waiting doesn't have to be time wasted. All right? Thank you for joining me on today's edition of 101 with Dr. Tasie Wilinda. I'll see you on my next video.